How to move audio in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to move audio in Capcut. In order to do it, so first thing first, open up your Capcut account. And what next you want to do is, you want to simply go ahead and select the existing audio. Select the existing project or a new one. And I'm going to go ahead and add an audio to this. So what next you want to do is go to the audio section and you could go ahead and select the sound, or you could just go ahead and add an audio. So click the plus button. In order to simply move this, it's a very simple process. You have to go ahead and hold on to your audio that you've recently added, long press on it, and without leaving your fingers or without letting it go, you just can go ahead and swipe to the left or to the right. So this way you could go ahead and move it. You just have to long press on it and make sure not to leave your finger. Next thing, so this way you could go ahead and move your audio. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.